Okay, when you have a broken stone holder, what you need to do is you need to remove the stones from the broken stone holder. What you need is a 10mm wrench. Use the wrench and go counterclockwise direction. And you go like that. Okay, once you loosen it, you'll be able to remove the nut and the washer and remove the stone. And then repeat the same thing on the other side. Go counterclockwise, remove it, and then remove the washer. Now the stone will come off. Now what you need to do is, once you take the new stone holder, put it on the grinder, on the thing, and you have to look at the washer. The washer has two sides. There's one side is a soft surface, another one is a sharp side. Put the softer surface towards the roller stone and then go clockwise and tighten the nut. Once you get it tight, you just go give it one nice twist to tighten it, and repeat the same thing on this side. Once you do that, then what you want to do, once you finish tightening everything, what you want to do is you want to make sure that the roller stones are spinning freely. You need to do a spin test. When you spin it, they should spin freely without any resistance, and you should not hear any noises or any squeaks.